You didn't find this video, it found you. And that's not a coincidence. You didn't search for this, you weren't looking for it. And out of millions of videos, this is the one in front of you. That's not random, and it's not fully your choice. This is the Architect Lab, where we rebuild reality from first principles. You feel like you chose this, that you're scrolling, deciding, moving from one thing to the next. But that feeling comes after something else already happened. Because before you ever saw this, something filtered everything else out. Millions of options reduced to a handful, until eventually there was just this. So ask yourself this: did you choose this video, or were you placed here? Because one is control, and the other only feels like it. That's what an algorithm does. It doesn't just show you things, it decides what never reaches you. Which means right now, you're not seeing everything. You're seeing what made it through. So your choice isn't between everything. It's between what survived the filter. And once you see that, you can't go back. It's like being handed a menu and being told you could choose anything, but you never saw what was taken off of it before it reached your hands. And this doesn't stop with videos. It shapes what you believe, what you notice, what feels real. Because the same filtering decides what enters your world in the first place. You're not choosing what to see. You're choosing from what you're allowed to see. I'm Mize, and that's this week's reality check.